Each chakra carries its own color, frequency, and tone. As we go through the different points, I invite you to envision the color of each chakra growing and radiating as we breathe and activate each point. We first inhale, receiving a breath into the nose, and on the exhale, allowing the note to flow. The key in this practice is to flow and not force. Each note aligns with the breath, keeping these wheels of light turning in momentum. The first chakra is the root chakra. Located at the base of the spine, its color is red, and its affirmation is I am. The note associated with this chakra is So together, receiving a breath in through the nose. Receiving a breath. On the exhale, watching that red light at the base of our spine expand, growing with each breath, turning, spinning, coming into balance. Receiving a breath in through the nose. The second chakra is the sacral chakra. Located in our lower abdomen, its color is orange, and its affirmation is I am feeling. The note associated with this chakra is ooh. Receiving a breath in through the nose. Ooh. And again, receiving a breath. Ooh. Feeling what we are feeling. Honoring what we are feeling. Allowing this orange light to grow and glow. Receiving a breath. Ooh. The third chakra is the solar plexus. Located in our upper abdomen, its color is yellow, and its affirmation is I am feeling and thinking. The sound associated with this chakra is O. Receiving a breath in through the nose. Notice if you can feel that vibration in the upper part of your belly. Watching that yellow light expand and grow. What are you feeling? And what are you thinking in this moment? Receiving a breath. The fourth chakra is the heart chakra, located in the center of our chest. Its color is green, and its affirmation is, I am feeling and thinking lovingly. The sound associated with this chakra is ah. I invite you now just to place your left hand over your heart, noticing your heart beating, receiving a breath in through the nose. Feeling that vibration of love. And again, receiving a breath in through the nose. Receiving a breath. The fifth chakra is the throat chakra. Located in our throats, its color is blue, and its affirmation is, I am feeling, thinking, and lovingly expressing. The sound associated with this chakra is I. Breathing in. And again, breathing in. Watching this blue light in our throats grow, yearning to be expressed. Using the breath to allow this light to shine bright. Receiving a breath in through the nose. The sixth chakra is the third eye chakra, located between our eyebrows and on our foreheads. Its color is purple, and its affirmation is, I am feeling, thinking, and lovingly expressing my vision. The note associated with this chakra is A. Breathing in through the nose. Breathing in. Allowing the breath to clear the lens of our third eye. Breathing in. The seventh chakra is the crown chakra, located on the top of our head. Its color is white, and its affirmation is, I am feeling, thinking, and lovingly expressing my vision of divine purpose. The sound associated with this chakra is E. Receiving a breath in through the nose. Noticing this white light glowing, radiating, shining over us. Receiving a breath in through the nose. Breathing in. Receiving a breath in through the nose and letting it all go through the mouth. Just noticing the subtle energy within your body. Noticing those 7 points that we activated and awakened with our voice. Noticing the vibrations and the frequencies running through us. Allowing them to spin and move the energy in our body. And whenever it feels right for you, taking your time to come back and on your own time, opening your eyes and thanking yourself for being in practice.